Ever wondered if your Beam wallet can handle your USDT? It's a question many in the crypto space have, especially with the growing popularity of stablecoins like Tether. In a world where digital assets are constantly evolving, knowing what your wallet supports is crucial for seamless transactions and managing your portfolio. Beam Wallet, built on the Beam blockchain, is known for its privacy-focused approach, utilizing the Mimblewimble protocol to ensure confidential transactions. This focus on privacy often leads to questions about its compatibility with other popular cryptocurrencies and tokens. So, where does USDT fit into this picture? USDT, or Tether, is the largest stablecoin by market capitalization, pegged to the US dollar. It's widely used across various blockchains like Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, and Binance Smart Chain, BEP20, among others. Its stability makes it a go-to asset for traders looking to hedge against crypto volatility or simply move funds efficiently between exchanges. Now, getting to the heart of the matter, does Beam Wallet directly support USDT? The answer is nuanced, but largely, yes, through bridging mechanisms and certain ecosystem developments. While Beam's native blockchain and its core wallet are built with privacy and the Beam token in mind, the Beam ecosystem has been actively working on interoperability. This means enabling the seamless transfer of assets, including stablecoins like USDT, from other blockchains onto the Beam network. One of the key ways this is achieved is through Beam's Bridges app, available within the Beam Wallet's dApp store. This bridge allows users to transfer tokens like ETH, USDT, DAI, and WBTC from the Ethereum blockchain to the Beam network. When these tokens are bridged, they typically become wrapped versions on Beam, such as BUSDT, Bridged USDT, which then carry the privacy features of the Beam blockchain. This means you can have your USDT, but with enhanced confidentiality on the Beam network. It's important to understand that you're not directly holding native USDT on the Beam blockchain in the same way you might hold native Beam. Instead, you're interacting with a bridged version that represents your USDT from another chain. This is a common solution in the crypto world for achieving cross-chain compatibility. Beyond bridging, the broader Beam ecosystem also supports interactions with USDT on various centralized and decentralized exchanges. You can often trade Beam for USDT on major exchanges like Binance, Bybit, and Kraken. This isn't direct wallet support, but it highlights the interconnectedness of Beam with the wider crypto market, where USDT plays a central role. Furthermore, Beam's development roadmap includes continued expansion of its DeFi capabilities and interoperability with other chains. This means we can expect more robust and streamlined ways to interact with assets like USDT within the Beam ecosystem in the future. The goal is to provide users with the flexibility to manage diverse crypto portfolios while leveraging Beam's privacy features. While Beam Wallet's primary focus is on the Beam token and its privacy-centric blockchain, it does support USDT through the use of bridging solutions like the Bridges dApp. This allows users to bring their USDT from other networks, like Ethereum, onto the Beam blockchain as wrapped assets, benefiting from Beam's enhanced privacy. This is a crucial distinction, but for practical purposes, it means you can indeed manage your USDT within the Beam ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.